Hello everyone, my name is Kushal and today we are going to discuss about the methods in Python. As we already discussed about the instance variable, static variable and local variable in our previous lectures, now let's talk about the different methods, that is instant method, static method and class method. So first starting with our first method, that is instance method. So what is the instant method? If we are accessing at least any one instance variable inside any method, then that method is considered as instant method. For example, I already defined one class here. So class test I already defined, and inside the constructor I initiate one instance variable. So because I am initiating a instance variable inside this method, then this method is considered as instance method. Then I again define one method display and print that instance variable. Then again I define info and call that display method by using cell. So if I want to access instant method within the class, then I can access by using the cell. So I just write here info method, and inside the info method I access by using the self parameter the above display method. So I just write here self dot display. So with the help of this I just access this instant method within the class by using the self. And if I want to access instant method outside of class, then I can access is by using the object reference. So I just create one object and pass one variable in place of name. I just write here name Virat and call the method info. So within the info method again I call here display method, that is accessing another instance method. So if I run it, then it will print here the output my name is Virat, that display method will print here. So there are basically two methods to access instant method. One is inside the class. If I want to access, then I have to access by using the self parameter, and if I want to access instant method outside of class, then I have to access by using the object reference. So this is all about the instant method. Now let's talk about the class method. So what is class method? If inside a method, if we are using only static variables, then such type of method is considered as class method, because we can access a static variable only inside it. That's why it is considered as a class method. So there are also some rules to define a class method. As at the rate class method decorator we have to use to declare any method as a class method, and first argument of the class method should be CLS only. So inside of class method we can access static variable by using the class name or a CLS, anything. So I just define one example so that you will understand in a better way. So suppose for example I just write here class college, and I just define one static variable here. Suppose ABC I just write inside a variable, and to define this method as a class method I just write here at the rate class method decorator, so that Python will understand that this method is a class method. Now I just write one method inside it, def, and the name of method is display, and first argument to the class method is always a CLS only. Now I just print inside it. Suppose I just print here by using f string. My name is. Here I have to access the static variable by using a class name. I'm also able to access it by using CLS also. If I want to use it, then it is also okay. And then after that just call that particular method by the class name. So I just call that method and I just run it. It will print the output. Here my name is here. It can access the static variable ABC. So this is a way to access the class method. Means inside the class method, if I want to access the static variable, then I can access by using the class name as well as by using the CLS. If I print here CLS.a, it also write output. It will give me, yeah, it will give me the right output. But better way to, it is recommended that we have to use the class name to access the static variable. So this is all about the class method. Now let's discuss about the static method. That is our last method. So what is static method? If we are accessing any local variable inside a method, then that method we consider as a static method. Here also there are some rules that if you want to define any method as a static method, then @static method decorator we have to use. And I just take here one example so that you will understand in a better way. So I just define one class here, class suppose calculate, okay, and I just define it as a static method, so that I have to write a static method decorator for that @static method, and I just define, suppose I want to calculate the sum here of two number, then I just print here the two numbers, suppose x plus y, and now I just create here one object and just pass these two argument inside it, inside the method. So a dot suppose 20 comma 30, if I want to print, then it will print the sum for me. So these are temporary x and y. These are temporary or we can say that local variables we use inside the method, and that's why this method is considered as a static method only. So this is all about the static method, and I hope you understand each and every method here: instant method, class method, and static method. I again just tell you one by one what is the difference between all of them, and I just clarify with the simple definition that what is static. Instant method is that if we are accessing at least one instance variable inside any method, then that method is considered as a instant method. So here I just take this instant variable, that's why it is considered an instant variable. Then what is class method? If we are using any static variable inside any method, then that method is considered as class method only. Here @class method decorator also use, that's why it is easy to predict that it is a class method. And also here first argument to the class method is always CLS, so that's why it is a easy predictable method as compared to other. Then what about static method is that if we are accessing only local variable inside a method, then that method is considered as a static method only. And at the rate static method decorator here also we use. So this is all about the methods in Python. You just watch it carefully, listen the definition carefully, and understand the meaning of what is instance variable and static variable, local variable first, and then go through all three methods. You will definitely understand it. I hope you enjoyed this session, and thanks for watching.